How we looking? How we looking? Yo, what's up, mother bleepers? Fuck it. Fuck it. We're swearing in this. I don't give a shit about monetization. Yo, we're here in Chiang Mai, and we got some temple action. And yo, this is my daily life. Literally eating lunch down here at the Maya food court and like meeting other digital entrepreneurs. So I was chopping it up with Taylor here, and I was like, yo, you wanna do a fucking video? We gotta do a fucking video, because we were just fucking spitting out fucking knowledge and awesome shit that more people need to hear. So motherfucking Taylor, where you from, man, and how long you been in Chiang Mai? What's good, man?
So I'm from Sudbury, Ontario. I've been here for about 6 months now, living the digital nomad lifestyle.
Yes.
Bumped into Riley the other day. Wonderful dude, if you ever have the chance to meet him. But yeah, just living that Chiang Mai lifestyle. Not much to complain about out here.
Yes.
It's burning season, but I mean, it's pretty damn clear.
No,
Smells nice.
It doesn't smell like a campfire quite yet, but we'll see what happens. So I want to share Taylor's story with everyone, because you said you were a college dropout.
Yeah.
And so I'm just like, fuck yeah. And we were just talking about, you know, like he was just talking about, you know, should I start a YouTube channel? What was starting it like? What was it like? And I think I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel to like reach more high school kids, because there's thousands of high school kids out there who could be starting their own affiliate sites and selling cat socks online.
They could be living out here.
Could be living out here, you know. And I was just like, yes, like I want to reach more high school kids. That's so true what you said. There's thousands of high school kids that are sitting at home doing nothing, but if they knew that anyone can get online and start your own little niche affiliate site, which is what Taylor does, and he actually crushes it. He makes more than a couple grand a month.
I do all right.
He does all right. And and he actually, you flew a friend out here recently?
Yeah, so I flew a friend out here to work for me for the last month. He's now started his own affiliate site, so I can officially say that I've mentored somebody to making their first couple $100.
Yeah.
Almost 1,000 now online, so
wow,
feels pretty good.
Yeah, exactly. So he was just telling me that, and I was just like, what the, like, that is so sick. And I was just telling him, like, my goal, like, with blogging my goal is sharing my life, is just helping people make money online. Because, like, that's the bottom line. Because when you can make money online / work remote, okay, you can it allows you to either work from home and or live part of the year in Thailand.
Freedom. Gives you freedom.
Exactly. It just straight up gives you freedom. Freedom to wake up when you want. Freedom to do your work on your own hours. Now, a lot of people in Chiang Mai, a lot of digital entrepreneurs, digital nomads, they do work from companies remotely, but still most of the time they're still working on their own hours. Like occasionally, they have team calls. Those are scheduled certain hours. But for the most part, being able to work remote, like that's a lot of people's dream.
Yep.
Like I was just talking to a friend, good high school buddy, who's he's an accountant, and he was just traveling through, you know, with his girlfriend, as people do, 2 weeks in Southeast Asia, and we were just talking, going out, and he's like, yeah, the goal is just, you know, be able to work from home, you know, start at 7, start at 11, and I was like, okay, so even corporate people, they still have that dream of work from home.
Yeah.
You know, that's a lot of people's dream, you know, and not everyone wants to travel. Not everyone has any interest in Mexico or Thailand or whatever the fuck. But still, like, to be able to figure out a way to work from home is a big deal.
And you don't need to make $1 million to live out here too. Yeah. I think that's a common misconception that I had, especially when I came out here, is that I thought I needed to be making, you know, multiple thousands of dollars a month to come out here. Like, you can live in Chiang Mai for like $1,000 a month, no problem. And you're living like a king.
Heck
like,
yeah.
A baller. You're balling out on 1,000. Like, you could do it cheaper. The locals do it for like $200-300.
Oh yeah. Like he's got a friend making freaking $800,000 a month.
Around 800, yeah. He's gonna hit 1,000 next month. That's kind of what our goal is.
So we'll get into affiliate niche sites in a second. I actually recently brought on a Chiang Mai intern, who I call him Chiang Mai freshman. He was at the Nomad Summit. Were you guys at the Nomad Summit?
No, I didn't make it. I was here a day before, 2 days late actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I missed it.
So yeah, a kid that was at the Nomad Summit is now interning for us, for my Amazon business. So, and yeah, as you guys know, Chiang Mai is cheap and digital nomads run this place. No, not really. It's Chinese New Year right now, so it's basically half China right now. But anyways, so tell the whole story about dropping out of college. When did you drop out of college and why, and how did you get into the online game?
Okay, so I used the word dropout. I didn't technically drop out. I finished my first year and I didn't technically get my diploma or whatever. I was supposed to do too, so I dropped out after year 1. I was doing a little bit of affiliate marketing on the side. I started my first, it was a vaporizer website. It was my first website. Right. I didn't know how to make websites. I didn't know what a domain name was. I didn't know anything. I started watching YouTube videos.
You didn't know what a domain name was?
No, man.
Okay,
nothing.
this
like
is proof.
noob.
You don't know, need to know.
Noob.
Okay.
I was YouTubing, I was Googling like crazy, and you know what, I just made it happen. You know, I designed my first site by hand, WordPress, shout out WordPress, hashtag WordPress. Super easy. Like, I thought it would be so much harder than it was. Just produced really good content, wrote it all myself, and the knowledge is out there. The one thing that everybody needs to understand is the knowledge is out there. It's all on YouTube, it's all on Google. You can pay for courses, like Riley's got a kick-ass course, but it's all free. Like, all of this information is it's free. Yeah. And it's easy to find.
Exactly, like what he was saying, like he was like he's got one information kind of service too, and you got your niche sites, and he's talking about, I have a course, and I was just telling him earlier, I was like, my freaking goal is just to help people make money online. Like, I don't care if it's Amazon, like buying products in bulk and selling on Amazon, that's not for a lot of people. It's not for most people. So I want to do more videos about other ways to make money online. Like, obviously I interview a lot of digital nomads, share their story, but be looking out for more like tutorial type, information rich type content about different ways to make money online, because there's lots of different ways. And as you know, you just helped your friends start making $800 a month. Like, that's full time to live in Thailand, to live a tropical lifestyle.
He couldn't live back in Canada with that, but
yeah,
here he's doing okay here though.
Yes, and it feels amazing, right? It's great. Like, it's really cool for to sure. Not only open the door to digital entrepreneurship and like the whole universe of a digital career, and be like, oh wow, okay, I can start small, you know, on my own, but there's actually limitless potential to outsource and scale, and actually make $1 million a year, you know, down the road, because the internet is worldwide.
For sure, and the key is just getting started. 99.9% of people that just don't start, and the ones that do start that fail, they just didn't stick with it, and that's the truth. That's all it is.
Exactly. So college dropouts, you know, so how did you figure out, like, did you have a friend that was doing online stuff, or how did you like be like, I'm gonna go look online to make money online?
So some of your audience has probably been hit by Alex Becker's YouTube ads. It was Alex Becker. Shout out Alex Becker, got me started.
Nice. I actually don't know who that is.
I owe that man a coffee or a beer, several. Yeah.
All you motherfuckers that owe me coffees or beer, I see you in the comments. That's why Patreon pages are for.
But yeah, man, it's all on YouTube. Just Google. It's all out there. Like, if you want to make money selling cat socks, there's probably a YouTube video or a Google article that's going to show you how to do it.
Yes.
So just take what works for other people and apply it to your own business. People don't understand, you can monetize just about any passion these days, whether it's a YouTube channel like Riley's, a blog, like a Facebook page, a Facebook group. Like, you can monetize anything, man, and you can give hella value while doing it. So it's an amazing time to be alive.
It's an amazing time to be alive, mother. I can't swear because there's a temple. Yeah. Actually, we just did, but here, we'll do our blessings after this video. Anyways, moral of the story, Google it. If your goal is to sell cat socks, Google how to sell cat socks. If your goal is to live in Thailand, Google how to live in Thailand. If your goal is to work from home, Google how to work from home. You're gonna probably go through a lot of scammy MLM stuff.
A ton.
Which, by the way, no digital nomads in Chiang Mai are involved in. Like, when I was knocking doors back in my day, I actually got recruited to sell Amway by a family, because I was knocking doors, and I had no idea like what multi-level marketing was or Amway was at the time. They're like, yeah, you want to meet me at Starbucks?
Oh, fuck.
Tomorrow we'll talk about making money together. I was like, wait, what? Okay, cool.
I have a buddy who has a story of at a gas pump, a guy walked up to him and was like, he drives a Ferrari, like a GT. He's like, hey, you need more money? Like,
you need more money? Classic,
Don't
classic.
believe none of that shit.
But anyways, I gotta do a video about talking to my old self regarding MLM. I gotta do that video soon, because coming out here, everyone is doing it by themselves. You can be a solopreneur and make 5 figures a month. I know lots of motherfuckers is crushing it, but you only need to be making 1 figure or $1,000 a month, 4 figures a month, to be able to live a tropical lifestyle around the world. And you don't have to live in Thailand the whole year, maybe 6 months of the year, 1 month of the year.
And I would argue that the quality of life's probably a lot better out here.
It's good.
You feel like a rich person, and
you're
not.
You do.
Back home, I'm not rich, but here I'm rich.
Exactly. And I've said this before on podcasts, is I'm not rich per se in the bank account, but my daily life feels rich for a few reasons. Number 1, I wake up when I want. Number 2, I eat out when I want. And number 3, I can take trips, vacations whenever I want. So those 3 things make you feel
part of that
rich.
doesn't sound amazing though,
exactly.
Right?
What part? I think everyone wants that. It's just guys like me and this guy that want to just share that out there.
The guys that tried. That's it.
We tried.
We're not smart people. We're not even that. You're pretty smart, but you know, I dropped out of college. I probably wouldn't have even like finished. Like I'm not very smart. If you're watching this and you know me, you know I'm not that smart. Anybody can do it. You just gotta try.
I'm glad you said that, because people will be like, Riley, you have a degree in biochemistry. You're really smart, which I do. Thank you very much. But I'm smart because I believed that by seeing Johnny FD do it on YouTube, that means I can also do it.
Yep.
You know, it's your inner confidence, which goes a long way back. But back to the beginning of the conversation, we're both trying to reach more high school, younger audience. So if you have any tips about how to do that, who we should collab with, what blogs we should be posting on, let us know. Because yeah, like we were saying, because once you go into college, then you're already like into the system, and it's tough to
kind of stuck. It's harder.
It's hard to drop out once you're in that, and then you're kind of down the whole career path. So that would be cool to reach a younger audience.
Yeah, I don't think enough high school kids realize that between 3 p.m. or whenever you get off school, between then and 9 o'clock or whenever the heck you go to bed, you could be hustling. Instead of playing video games, going out and smoking dope with your buddies, like you could be hustling. You could be starting a side hustle in those hours. And it might just equal pocket change, but you're gonna really, really thank yourself for it down the road.
Absolutely. That reminds me of, like, even before high school, I've met a lot of hustlers who were hustling even before high school. Case in point is Jabril from Passport Heavy. He was telling the story, actually on my channel, about how he used to sell Tickle Me Elmo. He used to resell Tickle Me Elmos back in the day on eBay.
And I started with FBA. I was hitting liquidation stores, buying stuff at like 75% off and hustling on Amazon FBA.
Oh.
I've tried everything, dude.
Oh,
eBay,
wow.
you name it. Like, you gotta, one piece of advice, try everything. Try everything you can and F up as much as possible, because failure is the only way to succeed. You cannot, there is not a single successful person that I've ever met that hasn't failed. So
Exactly.
Go out and fail.
I failed at different methods before I came into the FBA private labeling, importing from China method.
Probably wasted a good amount of money, but it was your education.
Yes, exactly. It's the education. So anyways, I want to start compiling just like an all-together resource of different ways to make money online. Digital entrepreneurship. Digital entrepreneurship coming soon from this guy. This was his first YouTube video ever, so yeah, coming soon. More stuff from
thumbs up for that. I've never done a YouTube video before.
You gotta say thumbs up.
He's popping my cherry right
Subscribe. Let's go. Speaking of, you got the big cherry above your head. We got boop boop. Happy Chinese New Year, guys. Peace.